Hi guys, I didn't know that this topic will be this interesting and this valuable for me. Tata Motors, why it was a big failure for the Tata Group. Let me just tell you, brief you about this story and the starting of the Tata Nano. Why it was a big project, dream project, and how it got so big among people of India. First of all, Ratan Tata has came with a dream that he needs to launch a car which he is going to send in each and every area of India, which will be the affordable car, the cheapest car, world's cheapest car. There was a tagline given to this particular product, that world's cheapest car. Also, it got very famous when Mr. Obama came to India and he praised for this car. So there are two, three things that need to be noticed here. First is that it was priced little, just little higher than an iPhone. So it was obviously a cheap product. You are buying a car with a little higher price than an iPhone. Second was the any product which has an attention seeking potential works for you. So it has that attention seeking potential with it, because Obama was praising for it, and the word of mouth publicity was there. Everything was there for this product. Apart from that, no money was required for the marketing, because people already was praising for that. Media is publishing all the things about Nano, and it is all over there on digital and newspaper media everywhere. So why has it got failed? So there are 4 5 reasons why it has got failed. Let me just tell you that. First of all, the word cheap. Uh, yeah, the word cheap comes with the basically irreliability. That wherever you are using this word cheap, you are not satisfied with the quality somehow. When you see a product is cheaper, especially in India, people see it as an irreliable thing. So the marketing was not basically the correct way to do that. Also, the positioning was not correct of the product. So Mr. Ratan Tata has a dream of sending this car to each and every area. Basically, the rural area already have a car, but the idea was to send it to the urban areas. So you see how the positioning was bad. So if we are sending this particular car to the rural areas where families are bigger and the roads are completely out of track. So when roads are not there, families are bigger, this car is anyhow not suitable for the rural areas. And the point was to send it each and every corner of the India. So somehow the positioning was not correct, and people used to call it covered auto rickshaw because it was not safe. Also, one point need to be considered is when it got launched. So three of the cars caught fire. Because of that, there was a performance related issue came into people's mind. Yes, there must be some quality issue in the product, that is why it is getting fire. And there could be a number of reasons of getting a car caught fire, but people thought that there is a performance issue because of that, that word cheap, world's cheapest car. And then aspirational value was not there. Aspirational, what is aspirational value? Actually, the product car here in India is an aspiration for the people. Why? Because when you are driving a BMW, you are having a car of BMW on your desk, people see you as a multi-millionaire, at least a millionaire. Why? Because here people see the success of people by the car he is driving. So the aspirational value was nowhere in Tata Nano, because if you are buying Tata Nano and it was named as the cheapest car, and Lakhtakia, that also covered auto rickshaw and that stuff. So the aspirational value was nowhere. People are anyway was not going to buy that. Also, a case study that I read about this car, or this car can be, or this product, you can say, you can take it any of the product of any of the company. Any product which works in the market works on the four quadrants. So listen to me very very carefully. First is the emotional value, second is the financial value, third is the performance value, and fourth is the relational value. So Tata Nano got failed on four of the quadrants. How? Let me tell you. So emotional value. Anyway, in India, emotional value is higher than the financial values because people over here are more emotional. But the specific product car, here the financial value is lower than the emotional value. Why? Because here, as I have already told you, people over here driving a BMW or a Mercedes has got attached. There is a emotion attached to that. Yes, that he is driving a BMW, is driving a Ferrari, for example, or any big car, any big name. So there was the emotional value in car is higher than the financial value. So here Tata Nano lacked. And the uh, second is the financial value. Financial value is also somehow got disturbed when the first plant which was there in West Bengal, so there was some political issue, it has to be shut down. When the plant came to Gujarat, it took a while, inflation rate got higher, rubber, steel, everything, the spare parts was used in that has got a bit hike in the price. So because of that, the price of the Tata Nano got 1 lakh, 1 lakh 20,000 to 1 lakh 50,000 from 1 lakh. So here also financial value has got disturbed a bit. So people who were aspiring to buy it in 1 lakh now will have to pay 20% or 50% higher than the actual price which was there earlier. Also performance issue, performance quadrant that I was telling you. Performance was an issue because three of the car, as I've already told you, got fire. So performance issue was there somehow in people's mind. So relational value got disturbed when the first car, because of the overbooking of the car, or you can say the change of the plant from one place to the another. It took 22 months to deliver first car to the consumer by Tata. So it was a very long time till the time you order a car, and then you are getting delivery after 22 months, then you are hearing the new bad news of it. People eventually got shifted to again Alto and Tata Centro, buying rather than buying a Tata Nano, they were buying the second hand Alto and Centro. So these were the reasons why it got failed. Also, if you see any of the product like Patanjali, it is working on the emotional value. There is an emotional value attached to that. It is working successfully. It is Savdeshi, India ka paisa India mein hai, and that stuff. Financial value, as you can see, financial value is there in terms of car. All the big brands are working fine because the financial value here, it is. Not even the car. If you see the example of the sorry, I've given you the wrong example. In financial is basically, you can see uh, these low priced phones, you can see, which are working fine in India. People are buying smartphones in the low price. So here the financial value, you can say, they are surviving on the financial quadrant. Third is the performance inside the Tata group. You can take the example of Innova, how people end up buying Innova whenever they want to buy a performance specific car. And relational value, you can say, relational value can be there with the customer and the product, brand and the consumer. So there can be relation build up with the brand. You can take the example of Apple. There is a relational value attached to the consumer and the brand. People wait for the iPhone no matter what they have to buy. Even if they'll have to buy on EMIs, they will certainly buy on EMIs. So this is the reason it got Tata got failed, because of the four quadrants a product survives, and it got failed on all the aspects, all the four quadrants, which were emotional quadrant, financial quadrant, performance quadrant, and relational quadrant. Thank you.